Editing isn't only about cutting clips. Movement matters. In this lesson, we'll learn how to change playback speed, play clips in reverse, and freeze frame for dynamic pauses. This is the same project we worked on in the previous lesson. First, I'll select all the layers and turn them into one compound clip. You may notice we already have two compound clips inside, but CapCut allows you to combine multiple compound clips into a single one, which helps keep the timeline organized. Everything looks good for now. I'm going to temporarily remove the added effects so we can focus on the new features. We'll bring them back later. If I play the clip, you'll notice it pauses at a certain moment. To make that pause more intentional, I'll add a freeze frame. Just click freeze. CapCut automatically creates a still frame lasting a few seconds. Right now it's about 3 seconds, which is too long, so I'll shorten it. Now this style image has no motion, perfect for some emphasis. At this point, I want to apply one of my favorite preset effects called Frantic Shot. I drag and drop it onto the freeze frame and make it shorter. It creates a nice energized look. I'll reduce the glow a bit so it's not too strong. Next, let's enhance the scene with a couple of stickers. Click on stickers to browse the collection. Just like effects and text templates, stickers are grouped into different categories depending on style and theme. These are useful for adding personality and fun to your videos. If you find something you like, click the star icon to save it to your favorites so you can easily use it later. You can also search for specific stickers. For example, if I type loading, all loading icons will appear. Let's go to yours to access saved stickers. Since the background is white stickers may not be very visible, so I'll use a red version first just to demonstrate how it works. After adding a sticker, select it and open the animation panel. In animation for how it appears, out animations, how it disappears, and loop animations, which contains how it moves while on a screen. Let's set a loop animation, for example, jiggle. Turn off other properties to preview the movement. With jiggle turned on, it gives a fun, energetic motion. Now I'll switch back to the white sticker since it fits better with the design. That covers freeze frame and stickers. Sometimes you may want to create a short looping moment. The reverse feature helps with that. Duplicate part of the clip by holding down Alt and dragging. Move the duplicate to the correct position. Now select this new clip and click reverse. CapCut will process it. Play it back. The clip moves forward and then backward, create a loop similar to the GIFs you often see online. Next, let's explore speed adjustments. Select a clip, open a speed. We have two main options. First is standard and the second one is curve. Standard speed. When set to 1x, which is 1 time, the clip plays normally. 0.2 times, slow down the clip and make it longer. Notice that if the original video doesn't have a high frame rate, slowing it down too much will look blurry or choppy because there aren't enough frames to display smooth animation or a smooth motion. Higher values, for example, 10 times, make it faster and shorter. Fast speed is great for time-lapse effects such as showing the sunsets, drawing process, or editing workflows. You can adjust the standard speed directly on the timeline or through the speed panel. Let's set this clip to 3 or 5 times faster. Now it's shorter but plays more dynamically. But curve mode gives more control over how speed changes over time. You'll find presets such as montage and others. Let's apply one. As you can see in the graph, the motion gradually starts slow, speed up, then slows down and peaks and then returns to normal. Let's preview. Oh, it's really fast. We can adjust by moving the curve point up and down to fine-tune the motion. I usually prefer these presets, but hey, you can still customize them if needed. You'll also notice that adjusting the curve changes the clip's overall length automatically. This already looks much better. Now I'll reuse one of my saved effects. It's a purple effect. I'll search its name. Delete the old one and apply the new effect for a cleaner result. I use these final effects only a few frames. The reason is that this video has a promotional purpose and needs to feel energetic and motivational in order to attract the audience. At the end of the video, I use the TV off effect because it abruptly concludes the video, keeping the viewer's mind engaging with the rest of the content. If you use this type of effects in your educational demos, there is a high chance that viewers will be motivated to purchase your course. Great job! See you in the next lesson.